Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I am gonna show you that how to share your YouTube videos link on WhatsApp in unlimited group. I will tell you recently WhatsApp introduced his restriction. It's a restriction that no one able to share more than in 20 groups or 20 contacts forward a link or anything you want to share or forward with friends or mostly YouTubers share a link of their videos to get maximum benefit from WhatsApp, but last time it was restricted to maximum 20 groups or minimum 10 or 15. So in this video I am going to show you that how to you are able to share your links in unlimited WhatsApp group. For this purpose you have need to download your WhatsApp is a different thing from WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. If you are using WhatsApp or WhatsApp business, then you will see that you just able to share a single link in just 20 groups of WhatsApp. Here you see that I have many groups. So I just want to share a link. Here my link. This is my link of channel. Here I will show you that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Here you will see that I'm going above to 20 groups in selection. As I select here my group maximum selected according to the latest restriction of the WhatsApp. 20 groups are you are able to share a link or a post at the same time just in 20 groups, but I selected more than 20. 20 was completed here and I am going forward. This is 21st, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, up to so on, guys. You are able to share unlimited WhatsApp group your YouTube videos link for getting maximum benefit, maximum watch time, and maximum subscribers. If you will use this WhatsApp, you will able to share everywhere in unlimited groups. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. I need your support and must share this video with your other YouTubers friend. I am gonna show you that in next video how to download WhatsApp, or I think I just simply put the link below in description. You will get that link from the description for your WhatsApp. See you next time in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.